Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be going trick-or-treating because it's Halloween. Oh, hey, Mario. Whoa. Whoa, what's wrong with you? You got an HDMI cable, a bracelet. What are you?
That was at like 9 in the morning. Bowser's came to my house. Look at that. He punched this. You see that line?
Yeah.
He punched it. He used a small knife. He took me to his castle. I just had to run away.
Oh, okay.
And he didn't even.
And where did you get the bracelet?
This isn't a bracelet. He just put this on me. And I had to sit down in his castle. And this didn't even work. I just ran away.
Okay, so yeah,
and Bowser, he's too slow and fat to move.
Oh, okay.
He can't even move. You keep chasing him in front of me. And then what happened next was like I kept running and Bowser was like, and he got too tired and I saw him fell and I just kept running.
Okay. Oh, okay. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, if you're wondering where I got this plastic bag, I found it in the trash.
Yeah. And where'd you get that bin from? And I
took that from my house.
I almost missed Halloween.
Oh, well, thankfully you came. What is that in the back?
I don't know. It's what Bowser put on my back. I
Okay.
gotta take this thing off.
Okay, so yeah, I will be known for just this
Can
day.
you take this off of me?
No.
Take it off.
No.
Take it off.
No, it
hurts.
It's your costume.
It's not my costume. He put this on me. I can't take any of this stuff out.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will be known just for today. Plastico Bago CGP. And what will you be for today? Okay, today this will be Smash Head. Smash Head. Hey, look at the camera for a second.
What? Take this off me.
Smash Head. What is it?
Oh, the screwdriver just fell. I'll use that. Going.
Okay, come on, it's getting late. We better go trick-or-treating. Okay. I got my bin here. Ready to... Yeah. What's your bin?
What do you mean I didn't get a bin at that time?
What about a bag, a plastic bag, I don't know, a trash bag.
We'll be back.
Yeah, I didn't have much time. Okay, so yeah, we made it to the first house.
What house is this?
I don't know.
Yummy.
I don't know. It's just okay. Let's ring the doorbell.
Anyone home today?
Trick or treat, give me something weird to eat. What are you supposed to be, Among Us kid?
Yeah, you shut up, man.
Wait, you're Among Us kid, right?
I'm a ninja.
Oh, why? Whatever happened to the indie game Among Us?
I'm a ninja. I don't know where my son went. He went to go play some games. But what do you guys want here? I'm busy.
Oh, well, we came to trick or treat. It's Halloween.
Give us. I'm hungry.
Yeah, give us something weird to eat.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
What do you mean, no?
You freak. I'll give you whatever I got.
Okay, fine. That'll be it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Take it. I'm not picking it up. See you guys.
Bye.
You guys eat your candy.
Yeah.
Eat your candy.
Oh, I don't know whatever was wrong with that guy, but I did say to give us something weird to eat, so yeah. Okay, so come on to the next house.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, look.
What? Okay, so yeah.
Give me some gum.
Well, I thought you wanted the gummies.
I'm good.
Oh, well, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be known as Plastico Bago CGP.
It smells so weird, but I have to taste it.
Yeah, those smell strange. They smell like fart.
What the heck? Why are they all small?
What's going on?
Whoa, someone else is having a trick-or-treating.
Yo,
let's go.
Okay, I'm getting sweaty inside. Okay, stop. Okay.
So, where do we go? Let's go to Diego's house.
Okay, yeah, come on, let's go.
No, it's this way.
Oh, fine.
Dude,
Oh, look at that purslane. I wish I could get that. It's staked into the ground. I can't eat it. I should have picked some yesterday.
Look at that bite.
Oh, well, okay.
Look at that bite. Snowflake. I love snowflakes. So everybody has snowflakes here.
Okay. But wait, hold on.
You're a good
Mario.
person who ever invented snowflakes.
Nature embedded snowflakes.
They're just so good.
Oh wait, those are artificial snowflakes. You can't eat those.
But they're so good. I have to eat them.
Go eat real snowflakes.
Where do you get snowflakes from?
Mountains when it snows.
This is snowflakes from the mountains when it snows. They just took it out and put it.
Well,
in
then
one
how
big-
come it's not melting?
Because they put it on fire.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's right. I just said it's dry ice.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to make these snowflakes. They go to the mountains. At Big Bear or Big Bear Lake, and then they grab them, and then they smush them all in one piece, and they glue them, and they put it on fire.
You
that's
mean
how-
dry ice?
Yeah, and
That's made of plastic.
And they
Dry
put
ice,
a whole load of sugar on all over it, and they just mix it, and they put water,
dry ice doesn't have sugar.
but it just tastes so good.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
It just tastes so good. I don't know how it's in one big piece.
It's snow. It falls from the sky.
Yeah, and then they smushed it in one big piece.
Yeah, I should be flying in the sky too, but no, I feel like staying here with the ground. And somehow I
Let me
befriended
see.
you.
Is it okay? But yeah, these are so good.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's keep trick or treating. Oh, look, there's some Cheetos, a Sonic Gumball ice
Right.
cream.
I'm still eating my snowflakes. They're just.
It's dry ice, not snowflakes.
That's what I call them.
Okay, fine,
snowflakes.
fine. Call them whatever you want. Oh, look, smushed pumpkins.
Oh, can we take a pepper?
No. No, they probably have those drying.
Uh,
Yeah, but ew, look at the pumpkins.
No.
Ew.
Maybe we're in for chicken treat.
Yeah, I don't know about the pumpkins though. They look bad.
Those are the best.
Okay.
Man, I just want to think. Wait, I hear the astronaut kid.
I'm coming for you. Oh no, he's getting closer. We gotta take shelter somewhere.
Wait, I hear the guy that was in the trash can.
I'm here in the trash. Give me back my snowflakes.
No.
I mean my dry ice.
There.
Wait, where are you at? Oh, look, a fan.
Ooh, okay, let's keep going.
And shoes and some, I don't know, other
keep
stuff.
Going. Let's keep. Hey, yo.
What?
Let's keep going.
Okay.
I just dropped 2 pieces of snowflakes.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we've been exploring a lot. There's nothing really, because, Halloween is canceled
Not
today.
Not really.
Oh my god, look at the hole.
Snowflakes almost fell.
Yeah, look at that hole. Stop smashing them.
Snowflakes. But here's the monster guy.
Oh, I'm right behind you. I don't see you. I'm catching up with you. Uh-oh. That's not good. We better hurry and go.
Not
Oh,
me,
no.
the snowflakes are right here. No, you're right here.
Okay.
Man, thank you, monster guy, for giving me the snowflakes.
I did not give you them. Give them back.
No.
Yes. Or I will steal everything you have.
No.
Your Switch. No, I will delete Among Us.
On what?
Your phone.
I'm just saying.
What?
You
Wait,
can't
what? That
hack-
guy's a hacker?
You can't hack my account.
How come? He can't hack you. How come he can't hack you?
Because these snowflakes are so good.
It's like, Mario, the snowflakes are not going to help you much. How can snowflakes, dry ice, help you? Okay.
They're just so good.
Oh, they're just so good. That's it. Stop this.
Okay, they're just so good I can stomp on them.
Oh my god. Oh, wait. What's wrong with those snowflakes? I think we're going to go to the doctors at the end of this video.
I'm not gonna go to the doctor.
And I feel like if you are, I get a bad feeling about this.
Why is the video so far?
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do a part 2. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on next time. Bye.
Bye!